like the wedgie is coming back. You see the way it rides up there, like floss up in my crack. I'm not free enough to party hard. These drawers are in my ass, I gotta dig real fast. Yeah, come with me to dig it out. You see the way these people stare, as if I really care. I remove what's under. Baby, there's no under. Well, should I put them over there? From here on out, I'll be going commando. The comfort is back, I'll break it down to the flow. Are you commando to pants? I'll be going commando. Mando to pants, I'll be going commando. Are you commando to pants?